Happy International Zine Month! Today is day 15 and the prompt for today is adult. For me that meant showing off some of my kinked up illustrations. While developing my degree show collection at the Duncan of Georgestown College of Art and Design, I discovered that my niche skill within the world of jewellery making was etching, especially hand-drawn nitric acid etches. Through this method of scraping away lines of black etching fluid, I fell in love with pattern drawing, and this love has become my ink and paper illustrations. My portfolio of not safe for work illustration is inspired by my deepest, darkest desires, and I often feature strange creatures, roleplay, strong feminine symbols, and kink pride within my highly patterned portraiture. The crisp black and white lines have become my signature style, and this adult zine shows off a collection of my 18+ illustrations. I am not easily offended, nor easily embarrassed. I do not think sex is embarrassing. I do not think sex is offensive. I am not prudish. If you're practicing safe, consensual sex, as far as I'm concerned, you can do whatever you like with or without your genitals. Policing how folks want to get off or judging people for what they find a turn on is the immature way to behave. Get your ropes out, pop a fairy tale into your ass, slap that ass, degrade your lover, fuck in the garden, let your lady garden grow wild and free, use that sex toy. As long as you're being safe, getting tested, wearing protection, educating yourself, and most importantly getting consent at all stages of your sexual playtime, do whatever the fuck you want. Enjoy yourself. Sexual freedom is one of the most blessed downtown moments that we get as humans. Do whatever feels right for you. In my artwork, I want to explore the sexual fetishes that I enjoy or am interested in, and in doing so promoting kink pride. Just remember, education, protection, safety, and consent. Have fun out there, my wonderful weirdos. To make this zine, I used illustrations from my portfolio and added them into a digital template. I then printed, cropped and folded my zines, and they're now listed in my store. If you want your own copy of this adult zine, check out the link in my description below. And that's me halfway through my International Zine Month Zine A challenge. I've been loving it so far, it's so much fun. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more zine making from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!